Welcome to The Circle. Here, we explore success secrets for young minds and everything alike. Get ready to discover the keys to triumph over challenges and reach new heights. Join us in this journey of growth and achievement. As a student, have you ever felt like time slips through your fingers, leaving you overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks? It's a common struggle, and one that's worth addressing head-on. Imagine this. Instead of feeling defeated by the sheer volume of work, what if you could take charge by setting priorities? Breaking down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps can be a game changer. This way, you're not battling an entire army. You're conquering one task at a time. Can you see the power in that approach? Now let's talk about the financial maze that often accompanies student life. The thought of budgeting, expenses, and managing money can send anyone into a tizzy. But let's reframe this challenge. Consider it an opportunity to cultivate financial wisdom. Have you considered drafting a budget? It's like creating a roadmap for your spending, helping you navigate the twists and turns of financial responsibilities. And hey, scholarships and part-time jobs aren't just about funds they provide. They offer a chance to gain practical skills and lay a solid groundwork for your future. How does the idea of taking control of your financial journey resonate with you? So here's the solution we're talking about. First, focus on the important stuff and tackle it head-on. Second, be smart with your money and make a plan. Third, change the way you think. Believe in yourself first and say, "I will find a way." Fourth, when stress knocks on your door, invite it and use its energy to get things done. These solutions aren't just ideas. They're like tools you can use to build your own success story. Your journey is like a big adventure book and you're the main character. Let's dive into each solution more deeply so you can see how they can be the driving force behind your journey toward success. Prioritizing tasks. You know that feeling when you have a bunch of things to do and it's hard to figure out where to start? Well, that's a common challenge and the solution is simple. Focus on the most important stuff first. It's like sorting out your closet. You put the clothes you wear the most at the front. By identifying what needs your attention the most, you're setting yourself up for success. Imagine each task as a stepping stone towards your goals. When you start with the important ones, you're building a strong foundation for your journey. Being smart with money. Money matters, right? But sometimes it feels like a puzzle you can't solve. Don't worry, you're not alone. The solution here is to create a budget. Think of your money like puzzle pieces that you need to fit together. With a budget, you're organizing those pieces in a way that makes sense. You see where your money is going and where you can save. Plus, scholarships and part-time jobs can be your secret weapons. They're like extra puzzle pieces that can help you build a stronger financial future. By being smart with your money, you're giving yourself the tools to handle any financial challenge that comes your way. Mindset shifts. Have you ever noticed that sometimes your own thoughts can hold you back? That inner voice saying, "I can't do this," can be a real obstacle. But guess what? You have the power to change that voice. Imagine it's like switching from a negative radio station to a positive one. Instead of saying, "I can't," start saying, "I will find a way." This shift is like giving yourself a secret code to unlock your potential. It's not just about words. It's about believing in yourself and opening doors to new possibilities. When you change your mindset, you're changing the game. Turning stress into strength. Stress, we've all been there. It's like an unwelcome guest that shows up at the worst times. But here's the thing. Stress doesn't have to be your enemy. It's like a workout for your brain, a tough training session that can make you stronger. When you have a big deadline, instead of panicking, think of it as a challenge you can conquer. It's like turning your stress into your personal coach, pushing you to focus and manage your time better. By using stress as a motivator, you're turning a potential roadblock into a stepping stone towards success. Each of these solutions is like a tool in your toolbox. You can pick them up whenever you face a challenge and use them to build a path towards your goals. Think of your journey as a construction site and you're the architect. You have the blueprints, prioritize tasks, be smart with money, shift your mindset, and harness stress. Now it's up to you to put these tools to work and create the masterpiece that is your personal journey to success. And that's a wrap for today's video in The Circle. Remember, Success is totally doable. Just take these strategies, run with them, and watch how your life change. Stick around for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.